All right, working on number 8. I need to graph it, but right now it's not in slope-intercept form, y equals mx plus b, but I can make that happen. So let's move this x from the left side to the right side, and now I have negative 2y is greater than or equal to x plus 2. Now I need to move this negative 2. So I'm going to divide everything by negative 2. You might want to think this is a 1x, so you have a fraction. And now simplifying y, and I'm dividing by negative, so I have to change the direction of my inequality, is a positive 1/2 x. No, wait, that should be a negative. That's not a negative right there. So a negative 1/2 x minus 1. Sorry, I made a mistake. It's the inequality right here is not an equal sign, so my bad. All right, there we have it. Now let's graph this. It crosses here at a negative 1. My slope says it falls down 1 as it runs 2, falls down 1 as it runs 2, so on and so forth. I have a solid line because this of the inequality. So connecting all the dots. Now I'm going to use my test point to determine where to shade. So here's 0, 0. 0 is less than or equal to a negative 1/2. Substitute x is 0. So I get 0 is less than or equal to negative 1. And 0 is less than or equal to a negative 1. I don't think so. I think I should be shading over here because this is false. My test point does not work. All right. So my boundary line is solid. Now let's find a solution in quadrant 1. There isn't one because it looks like quadrant 1 is not shaded. Quadrant 2, let's go way out here. Oh, it's kind of hard to see. 1, 2, 3, 4. How about 5? Negative 5, up 1. Quadrant 3. Oh, that was my answer for quadrant. Yeah, that was quadrant 2. Quadrant 3, whole lot of options. But how about negative 2, negative 1? And down here, quadrant 4, have a few choices. Let's go, how about over 2 and down 3? Looks like it should work. There you go. Now let's work out number 9. I have to put it in slope-intercept form. Well, don't have to, but it's definitely the easier way to graph. So adding 5 to both sides. 5y is less than x plus 5. Now, got to divide everything by 5 so that y is by itself. So I have y is less than. I'm going to write that as 1/5 x. It'll be a little easier for us to graph. Plus 1. So this one crosses here at plus 1. My slope says that I go up 1 over 5. Up 1 over 5. Something like that. Look at my inequality symbol. It's going to be a dashed line. And now, using my test point, let's determine what side to shade on. So 0 is less than 1. Yes, yes, yes. That means I get to shade on this side of my line. Answering some questions. It's solid. Oops, what's it supposed to be solid? It's dashed. Duh, made a mess. Dashed. Solutions in 1, quadrant 1. How about 1, 2, 3, up 1, up 3, 1. On quadrant 2, let's go over 2, up 2.